everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to take those roasted shrimp that I showed you how to do in a previous video, and we're going to make this amazing shrimp and avocado salad. This is perfect for any day of the year, but especially nice in the summer when all you want to do is cool off after a long hot day. This is a full meal in a bowl. Let's go see how this all comes together. Okay, we're gonna make this really fantastic shrimp and avocado salad. It's gonna have a little bit of sweetness from agave in our cilantro and lime vinaigrette that we're gonna build right in the bottom of the bowl. Everything's gonna get tossed together. Super fresh, super delicious. You can make this in advance and have it for a couple of days in your fridge. There is no lettuce in this salad, and that is one of the things I love best about it, because honestly, I love a salad that has zero lettuce in it. And lately there has been a scare with the lettuce, so no lettuce means no scare. So easy. So what we're gonna do is we have 2 pounds of cooked shrimp. I roasted this shrimp in the oven, and I showed you how to do that in another video that I will link here in the I box as well as the information box below the video. We're gonna build this salad with 2 avocados that I have cubed, a handful, about a cup or so of heirloom tomatoes that I just quartered. I have a couple of Persian cucumbers here that I cut in half and then chunked up. I have about a quarter of a red bell pepper, half of a sweet onion, and I have 2 limes here and some cilantro that I've chopped up, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started on our vinaigrette. I'm gonna squeeze the limes in here, and this is just gonna give it a really nice, vibrant, fresh dressing. And if you are interested in my my lemon squeezer, it's a citrus squeezer. You can, as long as it fits in here, you can squeeze anything. I've squeezed tangerines and mandarin oranges, lemons, limes, whatever you like. Go right in there. I'll leave a link down below where you can find one very similar to it. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of agave, about a quarter of a cup of cilantro, and then I'm going to take the cooking liquid from roasting my shrimp, which has a quarter of a cup of olive oil as well as the juice of 1 lemon, and I'm just going to whisk this together. The shrimp is already seasoned with some seafood seasoning, like Old Bay style. I did my own. If you need salt or pepper, add it to taste in yours. Now I'm gonna just take all of my veggies and I'm gonna pop them in the bowl along with my shrimp, quick and easy. Then I'm just gonna toss this gently so that I can incorporate everything together. This looks absolutely gorgeous. What a wonderful lunch for yourself, for your family. If you're having friends over for a luncheon, or maybe you're in charge of feeding the church ladies one Saturday afternoon, this is an excellent salad to serve them because it's a full meal right there on the plate. And all you have to do is maybe add a roll or some crackers or something like that. Boom, salad is done. We're gonna give it a taste. That's lovely. Taste the shrimp and the avocado together. That's really good. The avocado lends a little creaminess to it, and it's just fantastic. How easy was that? And that is how you make my version of a roasted shrimp and avocado salad, perfect for any warm summer day. Or really anytime. Oh man, that is so good. And there you have it. That is our delicious shrimp and avocado salad. A little sweet from the agave, a little tangy from the lemon and the lime, a whole lot creamy from the avocado, and really satisfying with all that shrimp and fresh veggies in there. Tomatoes, avocados, onions, cucumbers, red bell peppers, you name it. It's in there. I hope that you give this a try. If you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to invite new friends and meet new people. Be sure and hit the subscribe button. If you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this roasted shrimp and avocado salad a try sometime soon. Perfect for the warm summer months ahead, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.